So guys, let's create a new project. Tab on top left corner, select the folder where you have your files. Let's go with this one. Press next. Now we are inside our sample project. So how to apply snowfall effect? It's really simple. Select the layer, then select FX, look for nature. Then here we have different snowfall variations. Now select the one you want to apply. Then tap, hold, drag the right edge to cover the full video clip. Select the snowfall button again. Change the period slider to control the speed of the snowfall. Then the blur slider to control the intensity of the distance blur. Finally, use the opacity slider to control the density of the snowfall. And we are done. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.